Marman Industries specializes in precision plastic injection molding, mold design and engineering, product development, and contract manufacturing. At Marman Industries, we can create all kinds of plastic parts required by our customers. Examples include custom manufacturing of a medical biopsy marker, precision engineered injection molded plastic components, dental surgical kits, packaging, bottle caps, wire spools, automotive parts and components.
At Marman Industries, quality products and quality service are our primary objectives, and we achieve those objectives through innovation, discipline, and an experienced staff of QA professionals. Our quality standards are implemented through a controlled process approach, focusing on customer specifications, regulatory requirements, and international standards, and are driven by continual improvement. Our engineering, injection molding, and mold making departments work as a team to provide a continuum of services that seamlessly manages a project from its initial concept to production.